Hello, guys, and welcome to Khabula the Tea, the only channel la siphunga khona itiye without judgment. Okay, so it has been a minute, but si buyile, and let us congratulate together Naledi Apiwe for renovating her home. She did an amazing job from ceiling board to built-in cupboards to marble tiles and marble walls. She did an amazing job. Uwenze okuhlula abaningi. Sithi congratulations to her. On other news, Umamlambo Ugugu Gumede is telling TikTok to stay out of her business.
Hi everyone. So, as you can see, I've lost a bunch of weight. 53 kilograms to be exact. There's been a discourse on TikTok about why I lost this weight. So let me say this. I lost weight so I could be healthy. I was 32 years old, weighing 125 kilograms after I had a baby, and I needed to change because I was hypertensive and I was about to be a chronic patient, and I could not let that happen in my early 30s. So I decided to change my life for the better. This was not a cosmetic surgery. This was a bariatric surgery to fix my life. Okay, let's just get that right. I'm not sick. I'm doing very well. I am actually healthier than I've ever been. And how did I do it? I had a gastric sleeve surgery at Hermes Clinics in Turkey. I did all my research and then I decided to go ahead and do it. So if you want to if you're struggling to lose weight, if you want to lose weight, and if you have done the research and decided that this is the route that you want to take, contact Hermes Clinics. I recommend them highly. But yeah, that's how I lost weight. Now stop talking about it. Bye.
Hayi uyayichaza indaba yakhe uMamlambo uGugu Gumede ukuthi angenzelanga nina futhi angenzelanga ukubukwa. It was for health reasons. I was very fat to a point of being a chronic patient. Ngabona ukuthi rather being admitted and go to the hospital because I'm overweight, let me go under the knife in Turkey and get this fat removed. And shame, see, she is snatched Kona, but shockingly so. But Mayati, she did it for health reasons. Who are we really to judge, other than to say if she's happy in her new body? I guess sizomjwayela ayikho into engajwayeleki. But again, on the other hand, okungajwayeleki is uAyanda Ncwane without makeup. So there are photos of her legged without any makeup and they are shocking. Kwenzakalani? Because uAyanda esimaziyo angiboni ukuthi she will go to a cheap place and get her skin bleached for a less price. Because uyazi lokhu ukuthi kuzolidela to such results. She looks pink, uvuthiwe, unontombi. Sekushoda ukuthi sibona ama-shibabs. But if eqhubeka at this rate, sizowabona izishishi zizovela ebusweni bakhe. Mambukisisa kahle, around the forehead, close to her hairline, kumnyama, but the rest of the face is pink, very unusual. Ngathi it has been peeled a layer. Even the face ayifani with the neck and the chest. Asazi ngempela ukuthi kwenzakaleni, ayikho na imali, or she used the wrong Nigerian bleaching product. Kwenzakalani ngomamfundisi wethu, and who took photos of her and licked them online? Sesicela loyo kwe ukuthi abanjiwe, because what in the world is happening? mina nje ngingakusho kuyena u-Ayanda Ncane ukuthi she must go to hiding and fix this mess and then come back esewulomnge. Yabo lo mnge womhelane lesa simbona lapha ka Real Housewives of Durban, sifuna loyo. She looks like she's gained facial weight or uvuthiwe ngempela. Kwenzakalani? She is a cry for help in this photo, and can anyone who knows any product that can help her aphuthume nkosi yami, abusizo oluphuthumayo. Let me know what you think about today's celebrity trends segment. Do like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's talk. It's been a minute. Let's engage in the comment section. As for me, Intombi yakamzilikazi uMashobane, I will see you on the next video. Okay?